I wholeheartedly condemn the sickening misogynistic attack on Kangana Ranaut, the BJP candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, for Congress leaders to dig out a random photograph of hers from a long acting career and then to insinuate that she's a prostitute is sickening beyond measure. But then again, I want to explain the next couple of minutes when it comes to misogyny of the Congress. My cup runneth over. Navika Des Digvijay Singh, who addressed his own compatriot Miss Natarajan as 100% tunch mal. Where was Tehseen then? There is Abhijit Mukherjee, who called protesting women as dented, painted. There is Shri Prakash Jaiswal, who said as time passes, women get old and become not as fun as they used to be. And ever since Priti Irani defeated Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, poor thing has borne the brunt of such attacks. There is Jaideep Kawade, who says Priti Irani wears a big bindi on her forehead, and when a woman changes her husband frequently, the size of her bindi keeps growing. There is Yusuf Bhatt, saying unmarried daughters are a liability, my daughters are a burden on me. There is Shashank Bhargava, who says Priti Irani roams around with a lot of bangles in her hand and a request her to give the Prime Minister her bangles, and whenever she wants, she will have to roll back the fuel price. There is Ajay Rai, who says Priti Irani comes from Amethi only to show latke jhatke. And finally, there is Sanjay Nirupam, who says Priti Irani thumke lagati hai. There is Rahul Gandhi, who said Modi was a coward in sending a woman to answer my questions. No surprises there, Navika, just 30 seconds. That Kangana is facing the brute force of the Congress and refusing to buckle. More power to her. It is a sight to behold. These vengeful Congress politicians who like the smell of fascism in the morning may let loose their terriers and dynasty doormats on those who stand in their way. But this is a war they cannot win. Because while the meek may crumble, the strong will stand up to them. And all through this, the judiciary that cries suo moto at the drop of a hat is silent. Well, Lady Justice's sword may have rusted, but let me tell you this, Mani Karmika's isn't. It catches the sun and points to the sky. So fight on, Kangana. The entire nation stands with you. Yes, there'll be more armies of the night coming to hound you. There'll be more midnight knocks. There'll be more abuses and slander and sleepless nights. No clock hands to measure the darkness. But remember, the darkest hour is just before dawn, Kangana, and you will win.
Well,